Bonjour et bienvenue en French learning classes. So today in this video I am going to teach you possessive adjective in French. So possessive adjectives are the words that convert a noun to show a form of possession in the sense of ownership of something, and it needs to agree with the possessor, not with the thing which possessed. So French possessive adjectives are directly used before the noun they refer to. In English, possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, it, there, our, your, etc. Like this is my car, this is your dog, etc. So today we will learn these possessive adjectives in French. Okay, so have a look. These all are the subject pronouns. Okay, je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. So as you all know what is subject pronoun, and if you don't know that what is subject pronoun and you want to know, then you can check the link of this particular video of mine in the description box. Okay, so check it from there. So subject pronoun je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Okay, so here these all are the possessive adjective. Okay, but this is the masculine, this is the masculine possessive adjective, this is feminine, and these are plural. Okay, so with je we use more. We use more as a possessive adjective. Okay, and for feminine we use ma, and for plural we use me. So with je we use more, ma, me according to the gender. Okay. Now with tu we use ton as a masculine, or we with vowel. Okay, with masculine and with vowel we use ton with tu, and for feminine we use ta with tu, and in plural we use te with tu. Okay. So likely with il, elle we use son, in feminine sa, and in plural se. With nu, masculine notre, in feminine notre, and in plural no. Okay, here s is silent in pronunciation. Okay, and with vous we use votre, vos. Okay, and with il, elle we use leur, and leur. Here also s will be silent. So je, my, your, il, elle, his, her, its, nous, our, vous, your, il, elle, their. Okay, so these are the adjective possessive. Now we will repeat again. Okay, mo, ma, me, ton, ta, te, son, sa, se, notre, no, votre, vos, leur. Okay, so this you have to keep in mind and remember it too. Okay, so now we do an exercise so you get better understanding of adjective possessive. Okay, so number 1, John shares dash crayon. Okay, that means John search his crayon. Okay, so for his we use what? John is the subject pronoun. Okay, in the place of John we use il as a subject pronoun. Okay, in the place of John. So with il what we use, because il is masculine. Okay, il is used for masculine, and with il what adjective possessive we put here? John said so. Okay, so because with il, elle we use son, sa, se. Okay, son crayon. So John shares son crayon. Okay, John search his pencil. Okay, now number 2 is dash parents sont gentils. Okay, that means dash parents are genders. So here we use you. Okay, matlab your. So your parents are gentle. So with your, for your we use what? They. Because parents is the word plural. Okay, parents is a plural word. So and plural word with your. So we use they. Okay, because with tu we use they in the form of plural. Okay, so that's why we use tes here. Tes parents sont gentils. Your parents are gentle. Okay, now number third, dash fête préférée et Noël. Okay, dash fête préférée et Noël. Fête means festival. Okay, préféré is preferred. Is Noël. Noël is Christmas. So here we can use my. Okay, my favorite festival is Christmas. Okay, mon fête préférée est Noël. Okay, my. So for my we use mon. Okay, so here we can use mon or we can use ma both, because if you are masculine, so you will use mon, and if you are feminine, so you will use ma. So here I am feminine, so that's why we use ma. I use ma. Okay, ma fête préférée est Noël. Okay, my favorite festival is Christmas. Now number fourth is il a plu, it was raining, an a fermé, an closed dash fenêtre. Okay, her window. So window, an is a feminine, so an is L. Okay, for an we use L. Okay, and with L, what adjective possessive we put here? We use sa. Okay, because an is feminine, so we use sa here. Okay, il a plu, it was raining, an closed her window. Okay, an a fermé sa fenêtre. Now number fifth, vous avez oublié dash parole. Okay, you have to forgot your parole means lyrics. Parole means lyrics. Okay, or you can say words. Lyrics or words. So you have to forgot your words. Vous avez oublié votre parole. Okay, but here parole, that means parole is plural word because lyrics, that is plural. So we use vous, because with for plural we use vous with vous. Okay, now number 6, ils ont perdu dash des choses à l'aéroport. So which means they have to lost their things at the airport. They have to lost, perdu means lost, their things. So with their we use leur. But they shows, so they shows means the things. The things is plural, so we add s here. Leur, they shows are l'aéroport, at the airport. Okay, I hope you understand these sentences of adjective possessive, and if you have any doubt related to this topic, so you can ask me in the comment section and I will help you out. And that's it for today. Merci beaucoup. I will meet you in the next video with new topic. Till then, merci beaucoup, au revoir, and yes, don't forget to subscribe this channel, like this video, share this video more and more. Merci beaucoup.